Have you ever wondered what content writing is, or how you can become a successful content writer? Well, you're not alone. Content writing is the craft of creating written material for various online platforms such as websites, blogs, social media, and more. It's all about engaging an audience, providing valuable information, and driving desired actions. Becoming a successful content writer involves several key steps. Firstly, hone your writing skills. This means mastering grammar, punctuation, vocabulary, and style. Make writing a daily habit and consider enrolling in courses or workshops to further improve. Secondly, understand your audience. Knowing who you're writing for is crucial. Research your audience's demographics, interests, preferences, and pain points to create content that truly resonates. Next, familiarize yourself with SEO basics. Search engine optimization is pivotal for your content to rank well in search engine results. Learn about keyword research, on-page optimization, and how to write SEO-friendly content. Keep up with industry trends. Stay informed about the latest news and developments in your niche. This will help you create relevant and timely content that your audience will find engaging. Develop a unique voice. This is what sets you apart from other content writers. Experiment with different writing styles, tones, and perspectives until you find one that clicks with your audience. Consistency and discipline are also key. Dedicate specific time for writing and adhere to a regular schedule. This will help you produce content consistently. Build your portfolio. This should include a variety of content types and topics that showcase your skills and versatility. It's your ticket to attracting potential clients or employers. Don't forget to network and collaborate. Joining writing communities, attending events, and engaging with others in your field can lead to opportunities for collaboration and career growth. Seek feedback and strive for continuous improvement. Be open to constructive criticism and actively seek opportunities to learn and grow. Lastly, stay flexible and adapt to changes. The field of content writing is ever evolving, with new platforms, formats, and trends emerging all the time. Be willing to learn new skills and adapt your writing approach to meet the changing demands of the industry. By following these steps and continually refining your writing skills and industry knowledge, you're well on your way to becoming a successful content writer. Remember, every great writer started somewhere. Your journey starts here today.